Mga kapuso, mainit na pinag-uusapan ngayon ang Absolute Divorce Act na aprobado na sa House of Representatives. Ano nga ba ang magiging impact nito sa ating lipunan at of course sa pamilyang Pilipino? Kaugnay niya, makasama natin ang isang legal expert na si Attorney Alan Bigay. Attorney, magandang hapon po sa inyo. Legally speaking, ano po ba ang diborsyo at ano itong Absolute Divorce Act?
When we speak of divorce, we are referring to the dissolution of marriage. So, dissolution of marriage allowing the person or both spouses to remarry. So, how is this different now from annulment or legal separation?
Yes.
So, when we speak of annulment kasi, there's a marriage, so it acknowledges the marriage, but it renders it void afterwards. But when we speak of legal separation, you're both still married and you're basically allowed to live separately. Pero meron pa rin yung kasal.
Well, sa usaping legal, may mga karapatan ba ang mag-asawa dito na, of course, mas mapapaboran sa diborsyo compared to annulment?
Well, under your House bill or the recent House bill that was approved on third reading sa Congress, for divorce, it says there that within a year, dapat matapos na yung proceeding or madesisyonan na agad. Unlike for annulment, usually it's around 1 year to 4 years. So sa divorce, mas mabilis matapos yung proceeding. So as to the favor or kung mapapaboran ba yung divorce or mas mapapaboran ba sila sa divorce, of course, that's still up to the courts. Hindi natin masasabi na mas mapapaboran sila, although mas maraming grounds under your divorce. So under divorce, we have additional grounds. Aside from adopting the grounds under the family code, we have your irreconcilable differences, your separation, in fact, for 5 years, your vowsy. So the abuse under the vowsy is also a ground for divorce. And what else? We also
Sa annulment ba hindi kasama yung vowsy?
No, it's not. So
Okay.
allowed siya under legal separation, but it's not a ground for annulment. So sa divorce, naging ground na yung abuse like psychological, emotional, economic abuse. So we also have use of prohibited drugs. So yun yung mga additional grounds natin under our divorce.
Well, on my understanding, karamihan sa mga nagkakaroon ng problema sa marriages ay dumadaan ng financial challenges o yung mga nasa poorest of the poor families. Normally, yan yung na-observe natin. Magiging affordable ba sa kanila itong divorce law?
Well, kung ang maipapasa is yung version ng third reading ngayon or version ng Congress, under that House bill, it says there that the fee for that whole proceeding would only cost 50,000 compared yan sa ating ibang legal remedies for the dissolution of marriage. So, subject to stipulation, of course, of the litigant and the lawyer. So, well, basically, malaking difference yung fees na sinasabi natin because it's only 50,000. And of course, we still have your pauper litigants. Na, we also have your court-assisted petitioners. So when we speak of court-assisted petitioners, pag yung property nila is not exceeding 2,500,000 pesos, ang sabi dun sa House bill is i-waive lahat ng fees. So, of course, medyo shady pa yung part na yon. But yes, it would be affordable for those who are at the lower levels.
Alright. Sige po, Attorney, panghuling punto na lamang po na gusto nyong bigyan ng emphasis dito sa usapin ng Divorce Act.
I would just like to emphasize that this is still a House bill. Hindi pa siya batas, and it could go through scrutiny pa under your Senate. And even if it becomes a law, it can still be questioned as to its constitutionality before the courts. So even if it becomes a law, there's the presumption that it's constitutional, but it can always be questioned before the Supreme Court.
Alright, maraming salamat. Nakasama po natin ang ating legal expert na si Attorney Alan Bigay. Maraming salamat po. Attorney, thank you so much.